Hello there, I'm Peter. I'm a VGR steam rail volunteer at Newport Workshops. We have been working on a very long-term project and we are thrilled to announce an exciting update on steam locomotive K160.